Hey Brother Pal, this is my resubmitting of Enhancement 1. So this is my home page. I'm going to go ahead and open it. And as you can see, here it is in all its glory with all the CSS finally in here. The responsiveness is right here. You can see that it is all working. And if we check the HTML, it's green lines here. And also the CSS. It's good. So if we go check out the template, you can see I got this fixed as well. And here's the responsiveness on this. You see that's all taken care of. And validating as well. Oops. Go for the right one. And you can see that is all validated. So thanks for watching.